happy to greet you all through this video. Today's lesson, which we are going to study in social science, geography, third chapter, India climate. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the most important concepts and most likely questions that appear in the final examination. India is a home to an extraordinary variety of climatic regions, ranging from tropical in the south to temperate and alpine in the Himalayan north, where elevated regions receive sustained winter snowfall. Climate is the long-term average of weather, typically averaged over a period of 30 years. Weather refers to short-term changes in the atmosphere. It is affected by temperature, pressure, humidity, cloudiness, wind, precipitation, rain flooding, ice storms, etc. India has tropical monsoon type of climate. This is because a greater part of India lies in the tropical zone and its climate is greatly influenced by the monsoon winds. Question number 1. Mention the factors that influence the climate of India. The answer is point number 1. The main factor which influences on the climate of India are location, water bodies, relief features and monsoon winds. Point number 2. The climate of India varies from one region to another and from season to season. Question number 2. Which are the important seasons of India? The answer is climate of India is divided into 4 seasons. The first one, the winter season from December to February. The second one, the summer season from March to May. The third one, the rainy season from June to mid-September. Fourth one, the retreating monsoon season from mid-September to November. The winter season from December to February. During this season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over the southern hemisphere. India gets oblique rays of the sun. Hence, the temperature and humidity are low and the sky is clear. It is cool in the north and warm in summer. Summer season. During this season, the sun's rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. Hence, the temperature is high in India. The highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degrees centigrade at Ganganagar in Rajasthan. Convectional rain occurs locally in some parts of the country. It is known as Andes in Uttar Pradesh, Kala Baisakhi in the West Bengal, mango showers in Kerala, as it helps the mango crop and coffee blossom in Karnataka. Question number 3. Mention the different names of convectional rain in India. The answer is Uttar Pradesh, Andes. West Bengal, Kala Baisakhis. Kerala, mango showers. Karnataka, coffee blossom. The rainy season. It is also known as southwest monsoon season. Since the temperature rises by the end of summer season, a low pressure area is developed over central India. On the other hand, there is high pressure over the Indian Ocean. Hence, the moisture-laden winds blow from the southwest towards India. They bring rainfall to different parts of the country. About 75% of the rainfall occurs during this season. Question number 4. Explain the process of the southwest monsoons. The answer is point number 1. There are 2 branches of the southwest monsoons, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Point number 2. The Arabian Sea branch strikes the Western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall to the western side of the Western Ghats. Point number 3. The rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats as it lies in the rain shadow area. Point number 4. The Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya and Assam. The retreating monsoon season. In early October, due to decrease of temperature, low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the landmass. A low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. As a result, southwest monsoon starts retreating and starts blowing from the northeast towards the sea. Hence, this season is known as northeast monsoon season. India receives 13% of its annual rainfall during this season. Tropical cyclones frequently occur in the Bay of Bengal during the season and cause some damage along east coast. Distribution of rainfall. On the basis of amount of rainfall, India can be divided into 3 broad zones. First point, areas with low rainfall less than 50 centimeters. Second point, areas with moderate rainfall 50 to 100 centimeters. Third point, areas with heavy rainfall 100 to 250 centimeters. Question number 5. Mention the areas with low rainfall in India. The answer is point number 1, Western Kutch. Point number 2, the Thar Desert of Rajasthan. Point number 3, Western Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat. Point number 4, north of Zasgar Range. Point number 5, the rain shadow areas of Western Ghats. Roili in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives least amount of rainfall. Question number 6. Mention the areas with heavy rainfall. The answer is point number 1. It is found in 4 separate belts, a narrow belt in Western Ghats. Point number 2. A belt from Jammu Hills through Himachal Pradesh and West Bengal. Point number 3. Northeastern India. Mount Sindram located in this zone gets the heaviest rainfall. Point number 4. West coast and the western side of Western Ghats. Children, I hope you have understood the most important concepts of the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can clarify with me. Now, I shall give you very important questions as home assignment which are asked frequently in the final exam. Question number 1. Mention the factors that influences climate of India. Question number 2. Explain the process of southwest monsoons. Question number 3. Mention the areas with heavy rainfall. Question number 4. Mention the different names of convectional rain in India. Thank you children for watching the video. I shall meet you all in my next class.